My name is Dennis Rulli. I'm a project area manager for Nexgen Heating and Air. We're over here today at Thousand Oaks High School varsity baseball field where Nexgen Air is donating and installing a air conditioning and heating system for the varsity baseball boys clubhouse. The reason that we're here today is Jack Wilson has been giving back and donating to this community for over 20 years. He's a 14-year major leaguer, and when he came out of the major leagues, Jack decided to get really heavily involved in his community. He's donated his time, his money, and himself to these programs. So Nexgen has decided to give back to Jack and the baseball program over here at Thousand Oaks High School due to what he's done for this community in the last 20 years.
Hi, my name is Jack Wilson. I'm the head baseball coach at Thousand Oaks High School. I graduated in 1996. This is my community. This is my place. This is where I grew up. This is my home. This was the baseball field I spent the most time on. We're very fortunate to have a clubhouse where our players can come and bond together. It's not just a place to dress or practice. They spend a lot of time in here playing ping pong or games or whatnot, and it's really how we bond as a team is in this room. So to have Nexgen come in and be that awesome to come in and get some air and some heat in there will make the experience even better. We're extremely excited it's getting put in today, and I know the kids are going to be pumped when they show up today, and they're going to have a brand new unit shooting them nice fresh air. It's going to be great. I think it's going to be really exciting for the kids, and it's really uplifting for our program. A clubhouse that has air conditioning and a heater, that takes it to the next level. That's big league stuff.
Nexgen is honored to be a part of the Thousand Oaks High School baseball program and always feels proud to be giving back to its local communities. We wish the Lancers good luck this year in their season, and hopefully we can help out to keep you guys warm and cool in the summer.
Nexgen, thank you so much for doing this for us, doing this for our program. Very generous, and we are extremely grateful, and I know that the players are going to be very excited and very grateful for what you guys are doing for us. So thank you so much for being a part of our program and supporting us and giving us another home.